Guys, there's love here. Woo! That is so beautiful. Wow. That was so nice. She's shy. Happy Valentine. Why are they running? They still want gifts. You would think it's going to pour. Yeah. So they're done with love. You don't know whether to shy or she doesn't. I think she's shy. She's just shy, but that's so lovely. It's beautiful to be in love. It's beautiful to be in love. Are they going to sing again? Wow. Guys, check on Valentine. Oh, that's so shocking. Everyone is buying Valentine cakes. Valentine. Valentine everywhere, like. But I love Africa. We go with like the trend. If there's Valentine and gifts here, check, guys. Check the details there. Wow, they look good. However, you know, Valentine, it's on Friday, and most people on Friday they're at work. So, I'll put a tripod, money. Let's check. Wow. Wow. Valentine everywhere.
Record.
Guys, and the singles were here. God, see me through next year. I don't want to be single. And by the way, I'm serious. I've been single for so long. I feel like it's even suffocating me right now. Like, yo, if you've got gifts from your loved ones, happy Valentine. Yeah. And if you're single, try it again next year. Halala, baba kuchua. Oh my God, this guy will knock us.
This guy.
That's not nice. Wow, that was so sorry. Guys, Valentine everywhere. People are holding flowers. For you, let me know what it has found you. What have you received? Personally, I haven't received anything. Yeah. And I'm not complaining because seriously, I haven't been in love. But next year, fingers crossed, I'll get a book. So funny. So funny. So funny. Let's shake. Evra, we told you Valentine. Wow. Tina, remove your camera, my dear. Let us show people how Valentine is rocking and booming here. Let's check. Let me even zoom the gifts. Hello. How are the gifts? Are people buying? Wow, check guys. Let me show you the flower part of it. Wow. Check. Beautiful flowers. Hello. Are people buying? Yeah. That is good. I don't have anyone. You know that. I buy for myself. Yeah. Would that mean sense? Yeah. Really? Yeah. No, me, I want also a man to buy for me.
You can appreciate yourself. I think we should hire someone to buy for us.
I think I should. Guys, should I hire a guy here in Kenya to be my Valentine? But then it's too late. But I love teddies. If you're there and you wanna buy me a gift, bring me a teddy. Then you can just check on the gift. They're so nice. So the teddy bears. Wow. I see. Wow, that's so cute. Woo! Check on this massive big one. So cute. Yo, are people buying? Oh, that's good. Me, I'm single.
You're single?
Oh, I'm single. Listen, connect. Guys, he wants to connect me to a man.
Wow, mapenzi wana budget. Mbao tu.
Mbao.
Mbao sina bei kali.
Mimi sina mtu. That's so beautiful. Mimi sina mtu. Guys, for real, the flowers are outside. If you want flowers, if you want teddies, just come at Archives. You're going to find the best beautiful flowers for your love, for your person. Yeah, just come and support these people. I think that is Valentine for you. Yeah. I think. Wow, this entire street is actually full. Wow. Tina? The problem with such people, I don't want to nyahire sente nyatankamrota gana skom kono. So I don't like it. Come, we start from here, we go the other side. Guys, see love. Are you in love? See flowers. Woo. Wow. Let me start from here. Wow, so nice. Wow, so beautiful.
All right. Hata mimi utasikia nikiongea kuhusu Valentines no. Kwa hivyo kama ni offers ni leo ni sawa. Kama unataka smartphone ingia ndani tuango.
Guys, this is Valentine. This is how it looks like. Wow, check on these beautiful ones. Wow, these are beautiful. Check on this one.
one can be bought.
Actually, these are my type, guys. If you ever want to buy from me at Ted, buy for me these ones, the big ones. Yeah, that is my top. Wow. Pashaling, huh? Halia. Valentine is coming. Who is your boo? Oh, they can have cups. Wow, this is so nice, guys. See, just come outside here at Archives and buy your loved one something. Yeah. That is how Kenyans are celebrating Valentine, guys. Most of the teddy bears are out, flowers are out, sweets. Just get out and buy something for your love. Celebrate them, you know. Yeah. She has not sold yet.
There's someone.
It's okay. That's red. Love. Hi, how are you? We wish you a happy Valentine. How did this all you get all this?
Kama mnaanza next week.
Praban. Chini yake. Kweli. Let's check. Everyone, flowers. Wow. I see. If you have bought anything for your love, please leave it in the comment section. Let me know what you got for him or her. Me, Shami Vlog VG, I've not bought anything for anyone. Yeah. Reason being straight, I got nobody. Yeah. Wow. So people have brought love who are here. Guys, there's love here. Woo! That is so beautiful. Wow. That was so nice. She's shy. Happy Valentine. Who are they running? They still want gifts, huh? You you think you're bigger of center? It's going to pour.
Hapana, wameifunga.
Yeah. So they're done with love.
Kama. You don't know whether to shy or she doesn't feel like how do you
I think she's shy. She's just shy, but that's so lovely. It's beautiful to be in love. It's beautiful to be in love. Are they going to sing again?
You open?
Let's go together.
No, me and Patrick already. Just go to the stage, yeah. Go to the stage. Let me hold for you.
Let's go. We're going to break the line entry.
He's attempting a world record of hugs, guys. Those are 3 hugs from him. That's so nice.
You have a? It wasn't recording.
This is the guy. You want to hold for me? No, it's okay. Once I see guys, there's a free hug in here. That's so good. Woo, guys, that was a hug, a free hug for him. Yeah. Guys, that's the
Let's go.
He's attempting a world record of hugging, guys. Those are 3 hugs from him. Woo! That's so nice.